Hello everyone. Today we will be working on the power supply board from a Samsung OLED TV, model QN77S90DAFXZA. We have encountered frequent failures with this particular power board, which prompted us to create this video to assist other technicians with diagnosis and repair. If you would like to send your power board to us for professional repair, please feel free to contact us. The reported symptom is a no power condition. The television does not turn on, and the front LED indicator remains off. In some cases, the power supply fuse remains intact. However, these MOSFETs must be checked. Later in the video, we will show why the fuse does not open and identify the components that fail in its place. Testing confirms that one MOSFET is operational and the other is shorted. We will now remove the silicone compound and desolder both MOSFETs, since both will be replaced with an alternate part number. Inspect the insulation pads for any signs of damage. If any are damaged, they must be replaced. The MOSFETs currently installed are labeled GP47S60YERD. Both will be replaced with an alternate part number, ART041P6. We rechecked the fuse, and it appears to be in good condition. After plugging in the power cord, we didn't hear any clicks, which is not a good sign. This means further troubleshooting is needed. There is no voltage present on the high-voltage capacitors. If you are not a trained technician, do not attempt this procedure. This is one of the reasons why all of my videos are intended for professional technicians only. After additional troubleshooting, an open DSC thermistor was found. This was the reason the fuse remained intact. If you have a source for this thermistor, please leave a comment or contact us directly. My supplier is attempting to provide this part, but for now, I have no choice but to use an alternative component. The moment I plugged in the power cable, we heard a click, confirming that the repair is successfully completed. Thank you for watching. As we mentioned at the start, feel free to reach out to us for any support or assistance you may need.